When we were younger, you started on with a look you gave, spread over and over among us. When we were younger, when we were younger, I had in mind to keep an eye on you. Watch you fill the room without a whisper. When we were younger, and I held my breath, and like it was my last one, but you still it right in front of us. You still it right in front of us.
Do you promise to love, respect, cherish, and stand by each other for all of your days of your lives? If so, please answer. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Thank you.
I, Andy, take you, Quinn, to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better and for worse, for richer and for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until death do us part. This is my solemn vow and pledge.
I, Quinn, take you, Andy, to be my husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward. Oh no. For better and for worse, for richer and for poor, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until death do us part. This is my solemn vow and promise.
Quinn,
Wear this ring
wear this ring
from this day on
from this day on
as a token of my unconditional love
as a token of my unconditional love
and fidelity.
and fidelity.
It is a symbol of the bond
It is a symbol of the bond
we have made today
we have made today
for our future together.
for our future together.
Listen. Wear this ring from this day on
From this day on,
as a token of my unconditional love
as a token of my unconditional love
and fidelity.
and fidelity.
It is a symbol of the bond
Symbol of the bond
we have made today for our future together. Listen.
Watch you give an inch and take the moment there. When we were younger, and still I had my breath, and like it was my last one, but you still it right in front of us. You still it right in front of us. Like when I saw you for the first time. I felt like this before. It reminds me what I've been missing here. Every memory, evermore, it reminding what I've been missing here. When I saw you for the first time.